Hi guys, Stephanie here from Chosen Weeds Farm and Homestead. I hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to talk about root beer plant. Yes, root beer plant. People are so intrigued about this plant and I thought I'd do a little video about it. But first things first, if you like these videos and you want more of them, make sure you hit subscribe here on YouTube, and then also in the comment section I will put the website so that you can sign up for email list and you can be the first to get these videos when I email them out to everybody. So we're going to go over here. We're going to look at this root beer plant. Let me guys, it is almost as tall as me, if you can see how tall it is. And yes, it does smell like root beer. So let me just show you this, how big it gets. So this started out as about, I think 2 plants is how much, about 2 or 3 years ago. And really, I don't do a whole lot with this. I planted it and I just let it go, and it sends out babies every year, and I can dig up those babies and sell them. They also, it will die back in the winter, but it comes back even after a freeze. It comes back quite easily. Doesn't require a lot of water. It does really well in the shade, as you can tell. I am in the shade here and it's doing fantastic. And yes, you can eat it. And the leaves get huge. Let's the leaves real quick. See how big these leaves get? Just humongous leaves. A plant that's native to Mexico and tropical areas, so it does perfect here in Southeast Texas. And this is a culinary, used in culinary dishes in Mexico. And you can eat it raw, wrap it, use it as a wrap. You can cook with it, all kinds of things. And in the fall, it will shoot up this stalk, straight white stalk of a flower. It's really pretty, and I was quite surprised when I saw it. So super easy plant to grow. Really, there's nothing to it. If you'd like a root beer plant, please let me know. In the spring, I dig them up and I do sell them so that you guys can enjoy these plants, have some food in your garden that's super easy to grow, doesn't require a lot of maintenance from you. But once again, I hope this helps you out about root beer plant, something you probably never heard of, and I hadn't either until the last few years. So I'll say goodbye for now. And once again, if you like these videos, make sure you subscribe and sign up for my email list at www.thechosenweeds.com. And I'll see you again soon. Bye.